air. He's like, attack. Whoa! Oh! You see that? It's caught him in midair. Oh! Throw more!
Hold on.
Throw more! It just caught it in the air.
Woo!
Throw more.
What's going on?
One more. Throw one more over here.
Oh, he missed.
Missed.
He's a failure. Failure.
They're picking him out of the air. Throw another.
They're all failures. I can't get it anymore.
Here comes the tide. Oh!
Oh
my God! Oh!
Oh, look, he's flying away with it. They're all going for him.
Just give it to the birds.
I know, but if you're going to eat it, you need to eat it.
He's flying away. They're all flying after
Mom, just don't throw away my chips, okay?
him. Look, he's flying away. He's flying away. Now I'm wondering where the food went. He's got to get away.
Throw some more food up there. Here, somebody pick a piece of bread from the other side of my hot dog and throw it up in the air.
Okay.
Too close! Too close! Run away! Run away! Abort! Oh. They're so close! Hi, Birdie! You want my hamburger? Oh, I probably shouldn't do that.
It's called a hot dog.
I'm posting this on YouTube.
Oh!
Man, oh! They're gonna poop all!
Hot dog!
Why haven't they said
For your food! They don't find a big bag of chips.
No!
No, don't do that, man. They don't find a big bag appetizing. They won't find the bag appetizing, dude.
You know it's bad to feed seagulls because then they're gonna follow us.
The protectors! The protectors!
Throw a piece of food up in the air. Watch. Somebody threw some up in the air. Watch.
What are you doing, Melissa?
Watch this.
Hey,
They'll
Caroline.
catch them out of the air.
Lily, where's Sammy?
Watch, they'll catch the food out of the air. Throw another one. Throw another one. Watch. Do another one up in the air. Just watch. Watch.
Don't do that towards nature.
No, we're feeding them.
No, they can't have
Watch.
human food.
Watch. They can eat bread.
Sammy.
Incoming. Oh! Watch. They'll take it out of the air.
Oh, wow. This is great. We're feeding birds.
They'll catch it out of the air.
Anybody want it? Anybody want it?
Oh!
Anybody want it? Oh, look, a female.
Get it. Yeah! He got it.
Males are here. There's one female right there. One female.
Okay.
There's like a lot of males.
Does anyone ever worry that one of them might poop on your head?
Yes.
What have we done?
Look what this says.
What have we done? There's birds everywhere! I think we did something.
My goodness, that is a very bad name.
Oh, look at that!
Especially in a holy place. So shameful.
Right. These birds are gonna follow us till we keep feeding them. Want to see something cool? Whoa! Wait, want to see something cool? See that? Get it! Watch this! They'll catch it out of the air.
Really? Yes. You're crazy. Then get out of here.
Give me a chip. I want to take it out of my hand. Take it out of the hand. Oh!
Last one.
Take it. Just. Get it! Oh. They're gonna fly. Here, you wanna do it? Just throw it up in the air and they'll catch it. Just throw it. You crushed it. Oh, no! No, please! Hello, we're on the bird tamers! Throw one up in the air when these people come by. Chop!
Nobody likes tomatoes.
Ah! Oh, no! No! Get it! Wow! Guys, have you ever thought what if they landed on us?
That would be pretty awesome.
Hi! Oh, I pooped on it! I felt something wet! The birds? Birdies? Hi! Oh, no, please! Oh, no! Throw food up in the air. Watch. Throw another chip up in the air. They'll catch it out of the air.
What?
The chips, see? Do a trick, Seagull. Chomp.
Fido! Oh, give me
See, watch.
chip, please. Wait, watch this. Fido! Fast!
See?
Fido! Fast!
Fail.
Come on, try again, Fido!
Don't crush it. Just throw it.
You
throw
can
it.
do this. Come on, Fido!
See, he got it!
He did it! Fetch!
Oh. Guys, throw a chip right down here on the dock. Just someone throw a chip right here.
There's one right